Here's how you can stop Instagram suggesting your account. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can stop Instagram suggesting your account to others. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first, in order to stop Instagram from just suggesting your account, you basically don't need to go to the Instagram app itself. So here, as you can see, you don't need to go to Instagram app because we basically don't have that option to basically turn that feature off. What you basically need to do is just basically go to your website. So you can use any web browser that you would like to. You could use Google Chrome or even Safari. I'm using Safari because I'm on iPhone, and here, as you can see, I've already logged in into my Safari and used my Instagram account right over here. So once you have logged in and basically you're in Safari, you basically need to go to your account. And once you're right over here, as you can see, you just gotta go ahead and press on edit profile. You don't need to do anything else. Just press on edit profile, and right over here you will see some options, but you just gotta scroll to the bottom until you see this option of show account suggestions on profile. So you just gotta go ahead and press on this option and turn this option off, just like that. Once you turn this option off, you just gotta go ahead and press on submit. Once you do this, you've gone. So yeah, this is actually it, and you've pretty much stopped your account from getting suggested to others, or you won't be able to actually see other accounts as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it on on how you can stop Instagram suggesting your account. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.